Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, in the previous lecture, we learned about division. What is division? Division is a short operation for repeated subtraction. Means division method is used for repeated subtraction method. Okay, what is division? Division is simply repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. In the previous lesson, we solved question direct method. Means like objective type questions you people solve. But remember student, we use long method of division for 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4, 5 up to remanded questions according steps. We use the method long division. Now look at the board. Question is 40 divided by 5. You can solve it directly. But when question is like this, 125. When question is like this, 125 divided by 5. Then you cannot solve such a question through direct method. You need some steps to solve this question. Okay? And the steps we follow for solving this question, you learned in this question. Okay? In grade 3, first you learn about division, 1 step division, then 2 step division, and then we forward to 3 step division. Look into this question. How can we solve this question? First of all, we give the heading of solution here. Okay? Now consider we draw a stage. Yeah, a stage. You people draw this symbol in class 2. Like this, we draw a stage. This is consider student. This is a stage. Okay? And there is some character to play here, to act here. The characters are these two numbers, the 40 and 5. Look at student. Remember, and this one question, the greater number, always we write inside in this stage, and the smaller number we write outside on this stage. Okay, or simply you can say that the division is long division, right? Switch off like this. Write it like switch off. Means you write 40 inside in this stage and you write 5 outside. Clear? Now students, look at here. There is some specific name of these two areas. The number which we write inside this stage are dividend. Dividend. And the number which we write outside this stage is divisor. Divisor. Okay? The number which we write inside the stage is called dividend. And the number which we write outside is called divisor. Simply, division, a long division is switch off, means it's changed its position. We write the greater number inside and the smaller number outside. Clear, students? No. What is dividend? What is mean by dividend? The number which is divided is called dividend. The number to be divided, is called dividend. And the number which is divided, by which we divide, is called divisor. The number which is divided, which we find out, it's dividend. But the number by which we divide, is called divisor. Okay, and the next one thing is here also. Look it is quotient. Here, this area, number is called quotient. Suppose the answer, you write answer here. When you read out table of 5 to find this 40, so this number is quotient. Quotient. Okay? Now, move toward the question. We switch off the question and write on the screen. We write greater number inside and smaller number outside. This number is called dividend. This number is called dividend. The number is called dividend, which is divided. Divided. That number which is divided is called dividend. And the number by which we divide is called divisor. And here, this is the quotient, answer. Suppose this is the quotient. Answer is called quotient. Okay, now students, remember, in multiplication, addition, subtraction, we start solution from our right side, from our one side. But in division question, we start from our left side. From our left side. Look at to this number. This is 4. First, you people compare these two numbers. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5. If 4 is greater than 5, then you can easily solve. You can read out table of 5 to find 4 up to 4. But here there is a problem. Problem is what? Problem is that 4 is less than 5. Yeah, what can we do, student? What can we do? Yeah, we just put 0 here. Okay, because we put 0 is less than 4. Okay, now we take these two numbers. This is 40. 40. So you people read out table of 5. It says table of 5 to find out 40 up to 40. 5 0 is 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 six are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. So we read table of 5 to 8 to get 40. 5 eights are 40. Simply we read 5 8 times table of 5 to get answer. We read table of 5 up to 8 times. 8 times. And this is our quotient. This is our demanding number. So we put this number in the quotient. And check. Write 40 here. Now we put minus symbol, subtraction sign to check out any number left with us or not. No, you start subtraction from your right side. Remember, same method is followed we use in subtraction. We remove 0 from 0, answer is 0, and 0 4 from 4. Again, answer is 0. So, this is called remainder. Remember, students, once again. In division question, we switch off the numbers when we use long division method. We switch off the numbers when we use long division method. Suppose we draw a stage. We write the number, the greater number, inside here, and we write the smaller number outside. Then the greater number is called dividend, or the inside number is called dividend. And the smaller number, or the number which is outside, is called divisor. It's called divisor. Dividend means the number to be divided. The number to be divided. And the divisor means the number by which we divide the dividend. The number the number by which we divide the dividend. Clear? And now here, this is area, this called quotient. Quotient, the answer, the number, up to we read a table, the times, how many times we read table of 5 to get 40, to get 40. Clear? After this, 5 eights are 40, so 8 is the required number. We read out 5 table 8 times and we get answer 40. We write 8 in the quotient and 40 here. We put sign of subtraction to check out any number remain or not. We subtract 40 from 40. The remainder is 0. Clear, student? Now move toward some more question. Question is 64 divide by 64 divide by 8. No, table of 8. Table of 8. Again, we draw a stage. Consider, you people give the heading of solution and then draw a stage. Here we give the heading of solution. Okay, and draw a stage. Just consider it, student. Again, we switch off the number. Switch off. In long division, number switch off. We write the greater number inside and the smaller number outside. The smaller number outside. The greater number inside. Again, this number is called dividend. The number which is to be divided. This number is called divisor, the number by which we divide the dividend. Clear? And here we write the answer which called quotient. Quotient. Okay, now again we compare first two digits and division. We start from our right side. So consider the first digit and 8 to divisor. The first digit is smaller than 8. So, what we can do, student? Yeah, we put simple 0 here. Like if we do it in 2 steps, we just write it 0 is 0 like this. Because if there is not present, if we write table of 8 up to 1, 8 ones are 8, mean here answer is 0 or 8. 6 is not present in the table of 8. So what can we do? We take the nearest number to 6. The nearest number, but the smaller one, not the greater one. You people can't subtract 8 from 6. So just we select 0. So you can write it 0 is 0 like this. Okay, again you people subtract this number like this. Okay, and this no students, you people bring down this 4. Again same number comes 64. That's why we just put 0 in quotient directly. Okay, if this number first digit is smaller than 8, then you people just write 0 in the quotient and select next one number, and this number is 64. Then you can easily solve this question in one step. Okay, now move toward the question. Now we read out table of 8 to find 64 are how many times we read table of 8 to find 64. Yes, 8 eights are 64. 8 eights are 64 means we read table of 8 up to 8 times to get 64. 64. 8 eights are 64. Yes, again we subtract 64 4 from 64. 4 from 4, 0. 6 from 6, 0. So this is called remainder. And this one is quotient. Okay, students, when you people solve the question, you write at the end of the question the quotient and the remainder one. Okay, when we use long division method, how can we solve a question? We switch off the question, then we draw a stage. Just consider it, student. It's not an real, it's a stage. Okay, just we consider here. Okay, and we read out, we compare first. We start from our left side, and division, we select the left side digit first. We consider these two numbers. Either 6 is greater than 8 or less than 8. So 6 is less than 8. In table of 8, there is 6 is not present. So we select 0. If there is the same number is not present, so we take a number smaller than and the nearest one. Okay, here 8 is greater than, so we select 0. 0 is smaller than. But in the above question, we solve it directly like this. This method is also correct, student, and this one is also correct. But it's just for you people. Okay, how can you put 0 here? Clear? Okay, and then we write quotient. Answer of division is called quotient. Answer of division is called quotient. Its quotient is 8. And the remaining part is called remainder. So its remainder is 0, nothing. This is called complete division. Remainder with 0 means complete division. And students, you people write this at the end of the question, must. Clear, student? Now you people can solve the question here. The quotient is 8 again, and the remainder is, student, again 0. Yes, again 0 means complete division. Clear, student? Now can you solve the question? Sure? Okay, students. Look at your homework. Your homework is do exercise 2.10. Question 1, 4, 6, 7, 11 and 9 on rough copy. Students, the questions are in one step. Okay, you solve direct method like one step division. You follow this one method in your notebook. Okay, this one is also correct, but this one is means clear. Okay, if you want to solve question on this method, it's also correct. Okay, you can follow this method. Okay, students, now it's clear. Students, you people are clear? Okay, open your book, page number 60. All of you, open your book, page 60. Exercise 2.10. You people solve question number 1. 14 divided by 2. Follow this steps. Okay. And question number 2, 2 step. Inshallah, we learned about 2 steps in the next lecture, coming next lecture. And again, question number 3, 2 step division. Okay. And question number 4, again 1 step division. You can easily solve. Okay. 24 divided by 4. Question number 5, again 2 step division. Question number 5, 1 step division. You just follow the same method. Question number 7, 1 step division. And 8, again 2 step. Question number 9, you people solve. Same step follow. Question number 11, you people solve. Clear, students? Writing should be neat and tidy in your notebook. Okay, students? You people are clear about it? You can solve the question. That's good. Students, revise the dodging table. Okay. on daily basis. Clear? Thank you.